Now acha turudi kwa this our analysis tool hapa. So nataka tu trade over 4. Nataka tu trade over 4 analysis. So nataka tuone how analysis tool works. So hivi ndio the tool iko. So tukiangalia kwa this pattern here. So inafaa ujue over 4. Over 4 means that you lose if the last digit itakuwa 0 to 4, but you win if the last digit itakuwa from 5 to 9, si ndio? That's how a over and under works. So acha tuangalie the percentage ya the digits below 4. So hapa tuliona tu ni 8.2 plus 11% plus 9.8 plus 11.5 plus 8.3. So nataka tuangalie the percentage hapa, alafu tuangalie the hapa ni under percentage. So this is how the analysis tools work. So hapa tuko na the over. So hapa tuangalie 10.7 plus 10.7 plus 10 plus 9.5 plus 10.3%. So from this one inatuonesha kwamba the probability of the last digit kukua under itatuonesha ni 48.8%. And the probability that digit kukua over, so tuko na 10.7 plus 10.7 plus 10 plus 9.5 plus 10.3. So hapo utapata ni 51.2. So basically acha kama tukiangalia on, let me show you this analysis tool. So instead ya we could do easy calculation, that's why we have an analysis tool that makes work very simple for you. So ukikuja hapo kwa app.binarytool.site, ukikuja hapo kwa app.binarytool.site, nataka nikuonyeshe tu the usefulness of some of the tools that we have on Binarytool. So na click hapa kwa analysis, utapata kuko na analysis tool hapo. So acha tuassume tuna analyze over and under. So ukitaka kupata a percentage ya over 4, so hebu tuwekele hapa the number of ticks kukua 1000. So tukikelea these ticks kukua 1000 inatuonesha, so the digits above 4, the digits over 4, which means that ni digits from 5 to 9, inatuambia in the last 1000 ticks. Let me screenshot so that we can analyze this one. So in the last 1000 ticks, the digits that are above over 4, which means that is 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9, tunaambiwa ni 496. Na the digits under below 4, that is from 0 to 4, that is itatuonesha ni how many percent, tunaambiwa ni 504%. So the probability that the next digit can be above 4, tunaambiwa ni 49.6%. Alafu the other one ni 50.4%. So this is the work of an analysis tool. So this tool helps you to calculate these digits instead of doing the manual calculation according to these last digit predictions. So now tumetumikia this analysis tool. So this analysis tool ukipata ni rahisi. So enda tu Google search for Binarytool. So okay, so this is the work of an analysis tool. So an analysis tool just show you that from these from the last 1,000 takes, the over a percentage imekuwa 49% than the under percentage imekuwa 50%. So from this we can be able to make informed decision. But now when you are trading, you need another thing. Let me show you what you need to have. So make sure you have this Binarytool. So it's very simple. You can just go to Google Play Store and search for Binarytool. So let me refresh here first. I'm showing you step by step on how you can analyze your market for over and under. So nataka tukuje tu hapa kwa manual. So tunaona tukiclick digit 4, kitu ya kwanza hapa inatuonyesha the digits, the lowest digit ni digit 3, the second lowest digit ni digit 0. Just unaona hapa ni 8.2, alafu hapa ni 8.7, so meaning that the second lowest. The highest ni digit digit 9, the highest, then the second highest ni digit 8. Alright, so kuko na hii kitu hapa inajita the last digits prediction. Ebuni, let me take a screenshot. Alright, yeah, the reason as why I'm taking a screenshot ni to prevent it from resetting. Let me go to gallery and take that screenshot. Alright, here we have our screenshot So kuko na hii kitu hapa inajita the last digit. So utapata kuko na digit 1 7 1 7 5 3 2 9 5 4. So this one inatuonyesha the last digits a pattern. So utaangalia hapa ilikuwa the cursor ilipoint kwa digit 4, meaning that the digit 4 was the current tick. Na utaangalia hapa the last digit is a digit 4. So utaangalia a color red inamaanisha this digit is below 4. A color gray, it means that digit is digit 4, and then the blue colors show that this digit is above digit 4. So when trading we apply something called probability. Kuko na kitu inaitwa probability. So first nataka tutumike this a probability in two ways. The first one tutakuwa tunatumikia the percentage according to a percentage. According to percentage, alafu kuko na ingine tutakuwa tunaangalia according to the last digit pattern. According to the last digit pattern. So kuko na hizi two things, alafu tutakuwa tuna apply something called the reverse psychology. But then I always use the reverse psychology in trading. So nataka niko explain hizi vitu. So acha tuangalie na according to percentage. So from this one tumeona over 4 iko na 49.6% occurrence, na under under 4 iko na 50.4% occurrence. So ukiangalia tunaambiwa hapa the digits that are below 4 they are more occurring than the digits above 4. So we have higher probability. There's a high probability of the next digit to be over 4, to be under 4, I mean under 4. than the over. So in this market utapata msee akiingia kutrade hapa mainly at a trade over 4, mainly at a trade over 4, because most digits that are being generated, most last digits that are being generated there mtu ata trade hapa under 4, because there's a high probability of that digit to appear itakuwa under than over. But mostly utapata msee ata consider if over 4 iko 40% na under 4 iko so mostly ninekilanga under 5 so that ita cover up until at digit 4. So that is under 4 means that hiyo ni digit 0 1 2 3 4, so itakuwa imecover hizi stuff vizuri. So utapata the probability ikikuwa 60%. So hapa I'll advise you to trade under, because most digits that are being generated zinatoka zikikuwa under digits. So utapata there's a 60% probability that the next digit being generated itakuwa under. But now again, let me come with something called the reverse psychology. The reverse psychology. In a rise and fall, in normal way of analyzing these other markets, utapata kuko na that point, kuko na place mtu anasemanga hii market imefika kwa overbought region. So ikifika kwa overbought region, mainly hii stuff itaanza kusell. So itaanza kuchukua the reverse of what is happening right now. Na ikikuja kwa oversold, ikifika kwa oversell region, utapata this market is going to take a turn. Itarudi nyuma, so itaanza kuchukua buy. So hii hapa ndo tunaitanga the reverse psychology. So the reverse psychology ina apply aje kwa digits. So assuming over 4 iko 80% na under 5, meaning that under 4 is covered here, utapata ni 20%. So kuko na that high probability that digits zitaanza kujigenerate mingi zitakuwa under digits, because hii stuff ikifika hapa 80% tutasema imefika kwa the overbought region yake. So mostly itaanza kuchukua the reverse of what has been happening. So kama the last digits mingi zimekuwa over digits, so mostly zitaanza kujigenerate sana itakuwa the under digits. At least ita equalize this, itarudi kitu 50-50 huko, yeah, because aiziendelea tu kwa 80% iende 90%, 100% na stick huko. Ikifika those areas utapata the opposite zitaanza kujigenerate more. So that's what we call the reverse psychology. So that's the thing that you can apply here in trading. So the most important strategies that I always prefer is these are reverse psychology, because unaweza ingia saizi unapata this market imeko 40-60%, kumbe this one maybe ilikuwa kwa the oversold region. So maybe imeanza kuchukua a reverse. So utapata the market iko 60%, we una trade over but you are still making losses, because hii stuff ilishafika kwa oversold region, so inaanza kuchukua the reverse. So I always prefer this one. So this one I can give it a tick. This one is a double tick, because hii market ikifika kwa oversold region, as in ile place yenye unapata over digits zimekuwa generated mingi sana, so kuko na high chances kwamba under digits zitaanza kujigenerate at least to equalize this one, to equalize the trend. So utapata at this point utapata mostly under digits ndo zitajigenerate. So when trading, consider to trade under. Now let's look at the reverse psychology according to digit pattern. So let's write some patterns here. So acha tuangalie kwa this our tool. So kuko na this pattern hapa, tuko na digit 1, digit 7, digit 1, digit 7, digit 5, digit 3, digit 2, digit 9, digit 5, digit 4. Okay, ama acha tutumikie tu random digits. So nataka niangalie stuff fulani hapa. So assuming the last digits imekuwa maybe 5, I'm going to use the pencil for digits under. So hapa ni 5, hapa itakuwa 3, hapa tuseme ni 2, hapa ni 7, 9, 3, no sorry, 6 maybe. Then tuko na 4, tuko na 3, tuko na 1, tuko na 2, tuko na 0. So hapa tunaangalia 1 2 3 4 5. Tuko na the last 5 digits. The last 5 digits ziko there under 4. So kuko na high chances when trading hapa I'll consider ku trade over, because these are a pattern obvious ita break, because as is to endelea ku generate under digits continuously. So kuna high chances kwamba the next digit can be an over digit, digit. So that's what we always use when trading. Mostly I always prefer the reverse psychology. You trade against the trend of the market. So ukipata over iko 80%, nita trade under. Na nikipata the last 5 digits zinajigenerate ni over digits. So hapa I'll consider a trading an under trade, because hapa kuna high chances kwamba the digit inaenda ku break that pattern. So utapata if the last digits zimekuwa zinajigenerate ni over digits, so kuna high chances kwamba this pattern is going to break. That's why kuko na kitu fulani hapa kwa this my tool hapa. So let me just go to nini, let me refresh this one, na nikuja hapa kwa auto LDP. So tutakuja hapa kwa auto LDP. So kuko na hii kitu hapa over and under. So tumeselect a digit 4. So tunaweza sema if the last 3 digits, if the last 3 digits are less or equal to the prediction, the last digit prediction, which is digit 4, then it's going to take an over trade. So if zimekuwa under digits, then nataka ichukue an over trade, na kama zimekuwa over then zitachukua under. So nataka tuangalie this pattern here. So hata ukiangalia this pattern, so ukiangalia hapa mostly the last 3 digits zilikuwa over, so the next one ikakuwa under. So utapata hiyo pattern it will continue breaking, it will continue changing. So that's what I always use. It's called the reverse psychology. You trade the reverse of what is happening, because kama the last digits mostly zimekuwa over, so aka pattern obvious kata change. Ukiangalia hapa this pattern imekuwa ni 4 3 1 2 0. So ukiangalia this one are under digits. So nikaamua ku trade over. Hapa nitaamua ni trade over. Now unaweza pata the next digit itakuwa digit kama digit 5 hivi. Hebu ni refresh na ni set hii stuff yangu vizuri. So this is what you do to set up this condition. So this is the reverse psychology. So I always prefer to trade the reverse psychology. So utaangalia hapa mistake nimeclear a stake of $2, then ninakuja hapa so nimesema if the last 3 digits are less or equal to, unaweza sema are less than the last digit prediction ama are less or equal to the last digit prediction, then it will take an overtrade. So we just click on start whenever it gets that entry. So ukiangalia hapa kwa this pattern here, so kuna high chances kwamba the next one itakuwa an under digits because hii pattern haiwezi continue to hivyo for a long time. That's what I always tell myself when trading this the reverse psychology. Like kama hapo ukiangalia hii hapo imekuwa over, so hii over haitaendelea tu kila saa itakuwa over, so kuna high chances kwamba the next digit yenye itafuata itakuwa an under, and if ziko under utapata kuna high chances kwamba the next one yenye itagenerate itakuwa an overtrade. So that what I always use is called the reverse psychology. Like ukiangalia hapa the last 3 digits zilikuwa under, so ikachukua an overtrade, na ukiangalia hapa this contract ime-win. So that's how I always do my thing. So inakwanga very simple. It's very simple to trade and to be profitable because you just do some psychology. Unaangalia the trend of the market and you know what to trade, because mostly hata utapata wale so wana trade hizi wasenye wana trade rise and fall, utapata wana trade basing on the trend of the market. Utapata if this market imekuwa on an uptrend na imefika kwa the overbought region or the oversold region, utapata mostly they'll tend to trade the reverse.